So what's up guys, we're going to do the unboxing. So this is the ECU of Honda Cr150L. So galing pa ito sa US. Pinadala ng kapatid ko guys. So let's see kung anong laman nitong box. This is original. This is worth $300. So first guys is meron siyang BRT sticker. So the meaning of BRT is Bintang Racing Team. So this is well packed. Naka-box siya guys. And then naka-bubble wrap. So let's open it. So, sobrang sikip ang bubble wrap guys. So, make sure na hindi ito ma-damage. So, ito yun guys. BRT. Programmable ECU Juken 5. So, this is the latest model guys sa ECU ng Honda Cr150L. So this will improve your horsepower, your throttle response, and yung rev limiter guys is kaya hanggang higher RPM than compared to stock. So we'll open this box. So slide nyo lang dito guys. So, this is a hyper band, and it can be tuned by laptop or remote, and also live tuning. And this ECU can also do a factory reset and live EMAP, and also smart key slot. Right, so make sure na if you will tune this, meron kayong remote guys. Kung this one. So, it has a manual. So, sa loob ng box is meron siyang manual. So, nakikita niyo guys, it's an Indonesian text. So, hindi ko maintindihan yun guys. So, this is the manual, other manual. So, parang ads lang nila guys about the charger, HiMax charger. So, hindi to yung mga contact details nila. So, I think that's not important. This one is the most important thing. So, yung manual guys is nandiyan. Pero, still, Indonesian text. So, medyo hindi natin maintindihan. Right? So this is for, I think, the serial numbers and also the regional Asia. So you can put your part number here, and the email, and also the HP. This is for the data ECU. Okay. So once again, this is the Juken 5 made in Indonesia. So ito guys is bakit dapat nandito yan guys. Yan. Alright. So original, this is the original one. So embossed yung Juken na text. Okay. Then it's made by BRT. So as you can see here, it has a male and female pins. So ewan ko kung ilang pin ito. Then meron nakalagay Cr150 because that's the model of this ECU. I think this one is the date created. And then also makita nyo guys na meron tayong quality control pass. So they inspected this before i-ship sa atin. Then yung model is Juken 5 basic hyperband. And then here is the serial number 2020001. Okay. So quality check meron. Then dito yung light natin guys. Once it is turned on, iilaw yan dito guys. Okay. So madali lang pag-install. Plug and play lang ito guys. This will improve the power of your Honda Cr150L. So the original one is it has a red slot here. Yun yung mga original. So this ECU can make your motorcycle run faster compared to the stock because marami tayong mga tropa parang nabibitin sila sa speed ng Cr150L nila. So yung mga katropa ko is they want to upgrade their ECU. So the meaning of ECU is electronic control unit. So ito yung puso, kumbaga ito yung puso ng motorsiklo. So ito yung nagpapatakbo. It can control the ignition timing, the fueling. So nandito na lahat guys. So based on research or feedbacks after installing the Juken 5, the RPM is much faster compared to stock, and also the top speed of your motorcycle is parang aabot ng 125 kilometers per hour. So that's a big difference compared to stock. I think because yung stock ng Honda Cr150L natin guys is only 113 kilometers per hour or kph. So this is a make sure na if you will change the ECU, you will need to change the your exhaust. Okay, so dapat naka full exhaust kayo guys para mas ma-feel nyo yung improvement ng Honda Cr150L. So very easy to install. Just remove the plastic sa left side of your Honda Cr150L. Then just remove your ECU. Then good to go. But if you want to really modify or tune it, make sure that you have the remote for the Juken 5. Alright. So the price of BRT is like nasa 3,000 to 5,000. Alright, so this is the original one. So very effective and napakasulit guys. So yun, I'm going to install this tomorrow sa bike ko, and I will send you the feedback. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.